In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Zillow Map 2026 full guide. If you're exploring neighborhoods or comparing areas, the interactive map on Zillow is one of the fastest ways to understand what's happening in a local market. We'll move step by step so you can confidently navigate, interpret what you're seeing, and keep the map and list perfectly in sync. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zillow.com. In the large search bar at the top, type a specific address, a neighborhood name, a city, or a zip code. Precision helps here. The more specific your entry, the tighter your initial focus will be. Press enter and Zillow will load a dual view page with a property list on one side and the interactive map on the other. This split view is designed so you can visually scan the area while reviewing matching homes at the same time. On desktop, the map is your main neighborhood viewer. Use your mouse scroll wheel or the plus and minus buttons on the map to zoom in and out. Click and drag to pan in any direction and follow key corridors, move between adjacent streets, or jump into nearby suburbs. As you move the map or adjust the zoom level, watch how the pins and the list update automatically. Give the page a brief moment to refresh after each movement so the results fully align with what's in view. Those pins represent properties based on your active filters. Standard pins display homes currently for sale or for rent. If you've enabled the option to see historical information, you'll also notice pins for recently sold homes, which is helpful for understanding pricing trends in a neighborhood. If a particular area looks crowded with overlapping pins, simply zoom in. As you get closer, individual homes separate, street names appear more clearly, and exact placements become easier to read. To stay oriented while exploring larger regions, keep an eye on the built-in labels. Neighborhood names are often shown directly on the map, which helps you confirm you're in the right pocket. City or jurisdiction boundaries may be outlined as well, so you can see where one area ends and the next begins. Street names become increasingly readable as you zoom, making it simpler to pinpoint corners, cul-de-sacs, and landmark intersections. Finally, make sure the property list beside the map reflects the same area you're viewing. If you don't see any pins after moving around, zoom out a bit or drag to a nearby, more populated area to reset your results and repopulate the list. And that's it. Using the desktop neighborhood map is a quick way to build a big picture understanding of any real estate market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next